Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna unbox a USB hub or port hub for the MacBook Pro. So we're gonna see how this is useful and how it's not. So it's gonna be real fun because the MacBook Pro I have been using is without all the ports. Today I'm gonna guess all the port back. So let's go. Okay, so we're gonna take the box off and peel the plastic off. It's kind of messy, but you know, sounds really good. So we're gonna open the box, and this part got me struggling because it was really hard, even though I had, you know, really long nails, but you know, I have to grip forward this. So then we have this, and now the word. Yeah, so we have a manual. It's called ProMate. The manual is not ProMate. You know, the brand is ProMate that provides us this hub for MacBook. So nobody's gonna read that, but yeah, we have this. So we have two USB port, SD card, micro SD, two Lightning, and HDMI. Yeah, so that's, you know, enough for an average user. And I know you're not gonna run a server machine on your MacBook, but that's enough. And yeah, you can connect a USB hub, connect it to the USB port, but that would be a long story. Okay, so now we have it unboxed, so we can plug this in. You know, at first you gotta, you know, be worried that you're not gonna mess things up, but you know, it's really simple. You just have to plug this up. Yeah, so nothing is to be scared about, and then we can just see whether it's working or not. But you know, I figured out one thing. When you plug this in, you have to, you know, plug it forcefully, and it should be plugged in when there is a light, and that's not present now, means it's not plugged. So I tried to replug it, and then what happened? It worked. Yeah, so it worked. And you know, no extra things, no drivers or something, but you know, it's straightforward. And as you saw, that a light was on. I couldn't show this in the camera because the angle was wrong, but you know, you can see it clearly. Yeah, so now all problems are fixed. You can take memory card if you're a photographer. Yeah, and you can plug this in, and no further questions or answers, but you just see the icon on the screen, the desktop, and you can access all the files in the memory card, USB, or micro SD. So it's easy, and you can also charge your laptop while using all of these ports. Okay, so this was the video. Pretty clean, simple, and easy. You did not learn anything because it was just unboxing, and this just restored the ports that we needed. It's a small thing, but very useful. So, photographers, you can use this. Yeah, this thing is now clear. Photographers can use a MacBook because you can plug this, and you know, there's one problem because they made it extra burden for us, but you have to be, you know, relaxed, and do not worry. This small thing can come in your pocket, or you can keep this in your bag. So yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.